Let's review how to use the coin toss accordion on the gamer page of Toolkit.law. Start by selecting the Self section, then open the gamer page. Click on the coin toss accordion title bar to access this tool. Here, you'll see a clean, interactive interface that lets you flip a digital coin, instantly displaying heads or tails. No physical coin, no bias, just a fair and random result every single time. You can flip the coin as many times to give fair opportunity to the decision. You can even use the share feature to send your toss results by link or email to your fellows, perfect for making quick, impartial decisions in meetings, mock trials, or team games. Beyond casual use, the coin toss accordion reinforces fairness, impartiality, and decisive thinking, qualities every lawyer, mediator, and legal professional relies on. And that's how you use Toolkit.law's coin toss accordion, your quick, unbiased decision-making tool, right in your browser.